Do you need help looking for anything? No. I am trying to social distance. You're in my way. Move. Okay. Oh! You have got to be kidding me. So much for wanting to shop safely. Ma'am, I work here. And because of that, I need to jeopardize my safety? You came over here. Excuse me? 6 feet apart. The rule is 6 feet. You're right. I'll go. Oh, but be warned. I have touched every single bra in this room, especially the one that you're holding. As a matter of fact, I think I sneezed on it too, so be careful. Ugh.